save me. I'm your fiance.
How could it be possible I'd marry a slut like you? I'm the rightful heir to the Hughes group. You know the person I always loved? Was your sister, Sabrina.
No. What?
Give me the trade secrets and financial data of the Hughes group, and I'll be sure to marry you.
I will. I will do anything for you. You two, you played me.
Ha, that's right. We did play you, you dumb bitch. Theodore Hughes is an idiot to be in love with someone like you.
Why? Why are you doing this to me? No.
Oh, my dear sister. I do hope you're not as stupid as you like.
No. 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 I'll be burning in hell. Teddy? Teddy, what are you doing here?
Diana, I'm here to save you. We have to go. Diana, I'm here to save you. We have to go. Come on.
No, no, I betrayed you. Just let me go. Teddy?
I was wrong. No, I was wrong. I shouldn't have trapped you in the name of love.
You are mine. You are not going anywhere. Lock her up. If she dares to escape again, I'm going to break her legs.
You're safe now.
Go, live your life. Be happy.
No, 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 Teddy.
I love you, Diane.
No. No, no, Teddy. Please. Please, please, I was wrong. I failed you, please. If we have a next life, Teddy, let me love you. Let me cherish you.
Theodore Hughes, wedding dress, this new house, and me. Am I back to 3 years ago? This is...
Theodore Hughes, you let me go or I'll kill myself. I'd rather die than marry a demon like you.
How dare you try and run away from me? You are my wife. Even if you want to die, you need my consent. Tie her up and lock her in the bedroom. If she escapes, you'll all be buried alive.
You're a monster! You son of a bitch! No, 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 I have to talk to him. Teddy!
You don't want to marry me because you want to run away with Oliver? How dare you? I loved you with all of my heart, and this is how I get treated like I'm some sort of idiot?
Teddy, honey, it hurts. Let me go.
What did you call me? What kind of games are you playing with me right now?
Teddy, please untie me. It hurts.
Untie you? I untie you so that you can threaten to commit suicide again and run away with Oliver? No, I've had enough of this shit.
No, no, I would never run away with Oliver. Never again. Never. Teddy, my love, just untie me. Let me talk to you. Give me a chance.
You better never.
I'm so happy it's not a dream. You're still here. You're still with me.
What? Are you...
Teddy, we caught him. What are you doing? Nice to see you again, sister.